Hey everyone, Tim Manfro, aka Mortgage Manfro, and this is Wednesday Wins in Real Estate, where we spread positivity in the real estate industry. Today I want to talk to you guys about a client that came to us that's self-employed. They actually reached out originally with very low confidence that they would get approved for a mortgage because they'd been turned down before. We chatted with them and actually looked into their tax returns and did see that they don't show a ton of income that they're reporting, even though they're generating quite a bit of income monthly. We explained to them that we do have a self-employed program that looks strictly at the business deposits that are going to their account. Once we reviewed their bank statements for 12 months, we were able to see that they were easily approved for a mortgage, especially with the large down payment that they'd saved up. We got to work, they went out and found a property that they really love, wrote an offer and got it accepted. We're going through the escrow process right now and the loan is fully approved and we're scheduled to close in the next 2 weeks. This client was unsure if they would get approved. They had very low confidence, but they stayed positive and we showed them that there is options for people like them. They went out, searched for a property in a competitive market and got an offer accepted, and now we're going to be set to close. So this is why you always push forward, stay positive, and make it happen. This is Wednesday Wins in Real Estate. Thank you for checking it out.